the Golden State Warriors beat the New York Knicks last night. Jimmy Butler played tough. It's like this what like Golden State was missing. You know, I don't like Golden State, but this what I didn't want to see like one of the greats of like Stephen Curry played like he was playing before the before they traded for Jimmy. No, like Jimmy brought their life back into Golden State. I don't know what he did. He just brought everything to life. You know, I'm not saying they're gonna win a championship. They not the favorites. You know, I'm not picking them to beat like the Lakers in a 7-game series. No, but like if you Memphis, if you Houston, you don't want to play Golden State. You don't want to play Golden State. You know, and I get it. New York Knicks wasn't with their All-Star Jalen Brunson. I get it, but you got to win this. You got to find a way to win this game. You had to. You was in it. You was in it.